what the bag looks like when we're living out of it. 13 days worth of travel. So I've got a packing cube here that has all the normal clothes. So dresses, 2 pairs of pants for evenings or plain travel, quite a few pairs of shorts, and then shirts and stuff. And that's all the space that takes up. 4 zip-up onesies, mostly footies. Some of them just have the open foot, and then 1 sleep sack. She hasn't been really wearing the sleep sack at night because it's so warm. But then we're also going to do laundry probably halfway through the trip to refresh these. So most importantly, we have all of our UV stuff for baby. So this is a swim type material. This is a softer, light, UV proof SPF 50 full zip. And then we have a couple of swimsuits that we may or may not use with a swim diaper. And then 3 UV Skins UPF 50 hoodies. So they're long sleeve, but then they are just like a onesie. So exact same, all 3 of these. She wears probably 1 of these per day, especially in the sun. Then we just don't have to apply quite as much sunscreen for her, just face and legs and hands. So we took a toy thing for her for the airplane to keep her entertained. We have this high chair adapter sort of thing that makes any chair into a high chair. And then we put this silicone mat in front of her to keep things clean on the chair. 1 bib, airplane hammock, seat extender, 2 baby washcloths, baby water bottle, medicines, Tylenol, diaper cream, ibuprofen, teething gel, and moisturizer, and then a couple of pairs of socks, hat, and sweatshirt, and a cooling towel for the hot days. And then it's all gonna go in there. The repacking process to move to the next hotel. So to sleep, we have this little tent that's made for beaches basically, but she's been sleeping inside here. Sometimes we'll put down a towel to make it a little softer, and she has her little bunny that she sleeps with that comes on all the trips with us. Basically this folds up, and I'll show you kind of what it looks like folded up, but it can go right inside her bag here. And this basically just keeps her contained so she's not crawling all over the place, and keeps any bugs out. And then yeah, it just is a nice lightweight option for if you're backpacking and you don't want to bring a whole pack and play. So this is how big the tent is after it's all packed up, and then it's just going to go right in here. And just a few more things. We obviously packed a few diapers, some little Chucks pads, and some wipes. We bought some more diapers at the grocery store here in Antigua before we head out to some of the smaller villages, just because they had a supermarket here. But we may also need to get some more wipes at some point. Baby toothbrush and toothpaste, baby monitor, a baby blanket just to use at the airport to lay down for a nice area to crawl around without the nasty airport floor touching her precious baby skin. So here's what it looks like all packed up into the bag, and then I'll just zip it up. It's all zipped up, and we did actually bring a couple other things in the secret compartment. This UV Skins towel, which is great for swimming for the baby. It's got the hood and everything, and then a little book for bedtime. So this is what it looks like all packed up. We each have our own little cinch bag that we take on the plane, and our fanny packs that can go into this as our personal item designated to go under the seat. And then we have Robin's bag. Very important is that we booked a seat for her so she gets a bag included, but there's other ways that you can do this. Since you have a baby, you have diaper bag privileges and things like that. So hers is in a Alpa 35 Cotopaxi bag, and then we each have our own Alpa 42. And these are all rated to be able to go in the overhead bins on a plane. They're the perfect dimensions and everything, as long as you get away with the weight. I have been flagged once to have to weigh my bag and check it at the gate, which wasn't the worst thing. They did it for free, so that wasn't horrible. But that's everything.